What's good, YouTube? It's your boy JohnnyLox, aka Mr. Ooh, we back in the building with another video. And as you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, y'all see what's going on, man. So if you don't know, I took a poll, which is now a couple days old, and I asked if you know, what's y'all's opinion? What would y'all like to see? Would it be lock reattachment or getting a new set of locks? So, and this comes from a combination of honestly me getting kind of tired of the fro, but also thinking about the health of my hair along this journey. So I decided to go with a new set of locks. As you can tell, I'm not gonna take up too much of y'all time, man, because I want to get to the rest of the video and I don't want to hold y'all up too long. But the main thing that people ask when you have a new set of locks is how long was your fro when you first got started, when you got your first set of, when you got your starter locks. And to be honest with you, my hair right now is probably about 2.5 inches long. It's probably about 2.5 inches long. I don't have a ruler, but yeah, I'm a little bit past, and that might not even be that might just be 2 inches, man. But at the end of the day, it really depends on who you have doing your hair, because some people just can't do starter locks that short. So ultimately, that's what it really depends on. And also, I'm doing comb coils, as you'll be able to tell. And when you guys see this video, like this is the first part. I haven't been to the barbershop or anything, so my wife's gonna do my starter locks, and I'm going to my barber tomorrow actually to get my line up and get cleaned up and everything like that. And then what y'all be seeing after is the after all that. So it's gonna be a few hours, maybe a day or something in between. But main thing is I'm deciding to do a new set of locks because if you don't know, my hair was thinning for a minute. It was thinning really bad, and I don't know if it was just due to age or if it was stress, you know, because it's, I don't know, it could be a combination of both, who knows. But either way, I am on finasteride right now, and I am using, as they say, topical minoxidil, aka Rogaine, and I'm using the foam version. And what I found out is that the foam version agrees with my scalp. Yeah, it agrees with my scalp a lot better than the liquid version, which has a chemical in it, which I showed you in my last video, that just irritated the crap out of my scalp. So anyway, I'm still doing the finasteride, and still doing the Rogaine in my crown area, whatnot. But doing a new set because it gives my scalp and my hair time to grow strong, instead of just adding on that weight to the, you know, my hair that's still thin, but it's still, you know, that's still thin. So as time goes on, you know, my hair, my roots and everything will get stronger. This set of locks, you know, be better. I think it'll be better off for it in the long run. So without further ado, man, I'll talk about everything else afterwards, but me gonna show you the new set number 2, man. Here we go, starter locks. Ready? Here you go, man. Here you go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, the kid is back, man. With the fresh starter locks. Hashtag starter locks. Set number 2. Start of my second lock journey, y'all. Start of the second lock journey. Here we go. Can y'all see? All right, y'all. So this time, and I'm gonna keep on spinning so y'all can see. This time, my wife, she did it for me. She did it a little bit bigger this time, and she used Jamaican mango and lime locking gel, a combination of that with, I think, tight hold, if I'm correct. And she basically, well, it took a while, man, I ain't gonna lie. She was taking her time too, but she did a tad bit bigger than my last set. And honestly, I'm cool with it, man. I'm cool with it, you know. So all right, so the information that a lot of people like to know is, how long did you grow your hair out? So if you have been following my channel for a minute, you know that I cut my first set on October the 29th. That was the night that I cut my hair. Today is currently May the 26th, so that is 3 days away from 7 months that I've been growing my hair. And if you saw my other video, which I tagged from when I cut it, and I showed y'all the fresh cut, you see that I cut it super low. Now this time around, I'm gonna tell you, it's gonna be a lot different because I've been through this. My last set I had for about 3 years almost, maybe like 2 years and 10, 11 months, something like that. And I went through a lot, man. I learned a lot, and it was a whole journey, man. It was a whole thing. So I'm back here again. Am I gonna still reattach? I don't know, to be honest with you. I kind of want to do a full new set. Part of me really kind of wants to go through a full new set. Now, what I can say that I possibly will do is, after they mature and get to a certain length, then I may reattach later on. But for me personally, I think I just want to, you know, just go through it again with the fresh, you know, with the freshness right here. So one thing I'm not going to do is retwist too often. Second thing I'm going to do is, you want to keep it covered. You want to keep it covered for the most part, man. I mean, because this phase right here is very delicate. You know, if you go to the gym a lot and you sweat a lot, then you definitely want to keep it covered, keep your do-rag on, keep your hat on, and you just want to try to preserve it as much as possible, you know. And as y'all saw from my, if this is your first time at the channel, this is my second set of locks. Probably around, and when you start this short, and honestly, this is a little bit longer than what I started with last time. My last set that I had, I only grew my hair out 4 months, and my wife was able to get my first set in. And this time I'm 7 months in, which is only like about, you know, 3 extra months, but I mean, that's still a decent amount of growth. You know, I was able to go ahead on and get it started now, and I'm feeling pretty good about it, to be honest with you. Now, my daughter has a graduation tomorrow, so I'm gonna have to go through the, you know, going out in public with it. And honestly, I don't necessarily have to wear it out, but I'm gonna try to let it breathe and, you know, let it grow. But if this is your first time here, man, it's a whole new journey. So I've been through this before, and I can't say it enough, but I've had the experience to know what to do and what not to do. I don't know everything, but I have learned a lot throughout my first journey in the first, you know, 3 years that I had my hair, whether it was interlocking, hair thinning, the seasons change, you know, your pH balance or chemical, you know, body just changes, and your scalp likes stuff certain times and other times it don't like stuff. But either way, man, we're gonna get into all of that. For those of you who are just starting out with me, or you're in this phase, you're a few weeks ahead, or you're about to get it locked up, welcome, man. I appreciate y'all riding with me. Hit the like button, drop a comment below, let me know what you think, man. If you happen to be in the Atlanta area, you know, my wife, she did this here. She does retwist, she does lock styles, everything like that. I'll be showing y'all all of that stuff. If you're interested, just DM me on my my JohnnyLox _ on my IG. I'll be posting this as pictures of this as well on that. And I'm just excited to get back into it, man. But like I said, this is a new set. I think I may stick with the new set. I'm not sure. I'm still trying to decide, you know, but I'm gonna take it day by day, man. But I'm just happy to be back in the game. Starter locks, day 1. Let's get it, man. It's your boy, JohnnyLox, aka Mr. Ooh wee I'll holler at y'all in the next one, man. Y'all hold it down. Peace.